Hey guys, welcome back to Homtone. Today we're going to talk about the quality of our machines. So we manufacture all of our Homtone coffee makers to meet both the SCA and the ECBC standards. What that means is these are both national and international standards of coffee making quality. So this will help you to just make that perfect cup and know exactly what ratios and other different numbers to get that perfect, repeatable, consistent cup of coffee every time. So let's start off with the basics. So the first step would be the grind size, or the size of the actual grains of coffee that we have. So here we have our standard medium size. This is used for such as like drip coffee, filter coffee, things like that, maybe pour over and such. So this is a medium size, meaning it's about the coarseness of granulated sugar. All right. The next thing that we will talk about is the water quality. So we want to use water that is very pure, low mineral count, chlorine-free preferably. The SCA recommends that water to be at a very neutral pH level, so maybe a 6.5 to a 7.5, 7 being a neutral base pH level. Beyond that, we would also like to just kind of make sure that the TDS of that water, or the actual minerals in the water, are about 150 to 250 milligrams per liter, which means there's very minimal actual minerals or other solids dissolved in that liquid or in that water. You know, so very pure water, okay? Just neutral pure water, low mineral, neutral pH. Moving forward, once we've got our grind size and our very, very pure, tasty water, we can move on to the actual ratio. And the ratio would be referring to the actual amount of coffee to water, and these are both in weight. So we often weigh these in grams in coffee, even in America. And so with that, we would weigh typically like a 1 to 18 ratio, maybe a 1 to 16, 1 to 20. It depends on your flavor. A lot of people start with a 1 to 16 and then make adjustments from there. So what that all means is just that we have 16 times the weight of water as we do coffee, okay? Moving forward from there, we can talk about some other things. So let's get into actually making some coffee.